What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another daily YouTube video where we cover the market, our trades, and all the content by EA. Sorry, I haven't been here the last couple of days. Had some wedding stuff to take care of and some real life work. But we are back. It's Thursday. It's Marquee Matchups Day. EA fucked up on the Marquee Matchups. I don't know what they did. It was the Man United Spurs game, but it required a Man United or a Liverpool player, and they've since changed it to a Spurs player. So what's new? EA messing up. It's just another day at the office for them, to be honest, at this point. We have made some investments. We have obviously been trying to make some trades, and the market has gone crazy obviously today with the rival rewards, which is something you're gonna expect every single week with that Bitcoin injection. Um, but yeah, let's get into the video. As always, make sure you follow the Twitch stream, guys. We're live every single day, and if you subscribe to the Twitch channel for the month of September, you will get 7 days free Patreon. Of course, follow my Twitter as well for updates, and if you would like to join the Patreon, the link's in the description for everything that I just mentioned right there. So today the content was very simple from EA, PA Sports, and that was simply just the marquee matchups. And yeah, honestly, really not too interesting. I think all the Bundesliga center mids went up because of this, because you can only use 4 teams. And then also, um, these cards did not even do well, to be honest. They were not good to trade. But one of the big things we did get today, which you can see on my left screen, is we do have a loading screen, and here is the loading screen. Here are the official stats for Jude Bellingham's card. And it's actually quite a big upgrade. He's got like 3 pace, he's got a 3 defending on his gold card. So it's a big upgrade. He'll be very expensive. They even show you his progression if they were to do everything that is listed there. So you can see these cards are going to start off pretty good. So be careful holding cards. But yeah, as a result of that, Jude Bellingham has obviously risen. He's now up to 392. People have seen that and they think he's going to be so expensive. So yeah, he's up 30k. I expect to dip a little bit after content tomorrow. So I'm going to hold off on that one. He also seems very heavily invested. So we'll see what happens on Friday. I think there will be a little dip. Now, today is an interesting day. It's not your regular Thursday. Today is the full release game at midnight in whatever people's local time is. We have been trying some trading methods. Because people will be getting the game, we think some chem styles will rise because people will build a team. And then we're going to try and lazy sell them. We've been getting some, nothing too crazy. Obviously, the healings, that's slowed down a little bit, but it still does work. The main investments we're making are Dallo, Yamal, and Joe Gomez. And you might be thinking, oh, what do these guys all have in common? And it's that they're the best investments in the world. No, I'm joking. They all fit Evos. Yamal fits an Evo, but that's not really the reason we're buying him. Yamal just has a lot of hype. And I think when new people get the game today, Timmy's, for example, they're going to want to use Yamal. He will have high supply, so that is a risk. Joe Gomez has a couple very good Evos. We're buying these nice and early. We'll see how that goes. We're going to try laser sell them and see if we can make any coins. And then Dallo obviously has the right back Evo. So I'm pretty much all invested in those. I still have 200k. I have some more Yamals here, to be honest. I don't even know their prices right now. Some more Joe Gomez's. But yeah, it's currently 8 p.m. on Thursday. We were just getting on some bids during marquee matchup supply. And yeah, obviously everyone in the stream was bidding on them. So it wouldn't surprise me if some of these even go a little bit lower because people were holding them up. Yamal actually looks like he is up at 3k right now. So that's a good sign because we were buying him for like 2.8-ish. But as you can see, Yamal actually only came on the market during Rivals Rewards this morning. He went to 2-1, had a boom up to 4k, and then has since come down with more supply. So I would expect him to go back to 4k. That's what I'm hoping for. I do have a lot of Yamals. I'll probably be picking up more later on tonight. We'll see. The other one, obviously, he does have the Evo here. You can see. I don't know. It probably will be more popular than you think, though, because it is Yamal. We have Joe Gomez, who's the next best one. He obviously has a lot of Evos he fits, and some of these are pretty crazy, right? So, like, he's a very popular Evo as well. I'll show you that in a second. And you can also see this card has died to 2-4. He then since rebounded to 3k, and now he's obviously back down with supply. So hopefully he can go higher. We'll see. I'm not as certain on that one, but he is obviously the actual better Evo. If you look at the Evos here, club member award, most popular option is Gomez. Sprint Supreme. Oh, sorry, there's one more somewhere. Oh, intro to stat limits. Oh, no. Ultimate Edition Evolution. I don't know. There was 2 here where he was in. Oh, Sprint Supreme as well. He's also in that. Although that doesn't really make too much sense because his stats won't change. But yeah. Joe Gomez, obviously good card. 86 pace Prem centre back from Liverpool. You can see Dallo in there too. Dallo's in the club member award as well. And I think the intro to stat limits as well. I don't actually know which ones they're all in, I'll be honest. But I just know they're popular Evo options when we're looking at this page here. They're all up there. You got Joe Gomez, Dallo over here. Yamal's obviously not here, but Yamal is a much different player in terms of he's just such an OP card in terms of this is his first FIFA card, and people will love to try him out. You saw what happened last week. Dallo is holding on to 5.7. He since went from a high of what yesterday he was 10k, got to 7.6, got all the way down to 4.6, boom, up to 7k. So expect this card to be fluctuating nicely, and realistically later on tonight, after midnight, if these cards aren't already booming, I'm ready to buy more and go all in on most likely these 3 cards and sell them before 6 p.m. tomorrow, around 3 p.m. in the afternoon max, probably a bit earlier. But yeah, people will complete these evos. As one of the good traders in our stream, AVP mentioned, people do not get the 4,600 FIFA points, so they will be forced to use the cheaper cards. And what does everyone do when they get the game? Everyone pretty much starts an evo, because playing a game without completing an evo or trying to progress towards an evo just seems like a waste of time, in all honesty, at this point. Because, I mean, you could be doing some progression, right? We did see some absolutely crazy rises on the market today. I'll show you some of them. Who was one of the craziest ones? Alvarez did pretty good. Alvarez is down back at 27k. Actually, no, he's not even up, to be honest. He didn't have a crazy rise, but he is out of packs on Friday. Keep an eye on him after 6 tomorrow. If he dips, we buy, and I think he will dip. But yeah, the craziest one, probably cards like Alphonso Davies. He's shooting at 31k. He was almost 40k earlier, though. Got to 21 at 7 a.m. Got to 37k and has since come down with supply with marquee matchups. This is why you always sell before marquee matchups. Other cards that did really well, I'm going a little bit blank. I need to look at them all. Neymar obviously did really good. He's down at 155. He peaked at 170 right here. He was there for a bit after being 135. So nice rise there. Frimpong is another interesting one because he's about to go up packs on Friday as well. Potentially, if he's in a team. We don't know if he's in the team. We know he's in team 1 or 2. We just don't know which one. So that's another good investment there. Looking forward, though, there is probably some other good cards on this page, which I cannot find. We've had price range updates galore. If you go into my Twitch chat and do !PR, you can pull up this website for yourself. It is on my Twitch channel, !PR, like price range. And it updates all the price ranges for you and shows you very clearly. You can't search for them, but you can scroll through them and see that you can see so many cards did get their price range changed. Now, other than that, we saw cards like Doku rise. Doku apparently is also in the team too, so he could do really well out of packs. He got to 23. Obviously, they're all coming down with supply and rebounding back. I would expect a slight rebound, but honestly, nothing too crazy. And of course, you want to be out every single card before 6 p.m. tomorrow. I've been trying to trade some icons, but honestly, the market has just been so high this morning, and I was obviously asleep, so I'm staying away from that. You got a card like Vinny, which is so cheap right now at 2.3, and his gold card is suffering because of that. He's down to 1.7, and I mean, this card's going to, in theory, keep dropping. It's not in theory, he will. Luis Diaz looks like he's had a nice little rebound, even during marquee matchups. Maybe he was too cheap. He got all the way to 200k this morning, and then rose to 228, and didn't even really drop with marquee matchups, so clearly he has some demand, which is a good sign for his gold card, which you're probably going to invest in tomorrow after 6. He's obviously going to be out of packs the whole weekend, and you have a Jota SBC. Only thing is Jota can also play left wing, so it's a bit of a sticky one. But I think he will do good anyway as an investment and as a link, especially considering now when you look at the price of Chiesa being insanely high at 130k. He had another crazy rise today from 95k. He's up at 130. Just Chiesa doing what Chiesa does pretty much. But yeah, I would expect the market to be pretty bumpy on Friday. I expect drops after 6 p.m. on a lot of cards because we're going to get, no doubt, promo packs. People have no doubt also saved their packs for tomorrow as well from the rivals. So expect a dip, and yeah, I'll be ready to buy the dip. I don't know how early it'll be. That depends on the market conditions. We might be buying late night, but there are a lot of safe options like Alvarez, like Doku, all these cards out of packs. That will be the time to buy, and then I'll probably sell on Sunday or Monday depending on how the market goes. Don't forget, we get score battle rewards on Sunday now, so you don't want to hold anything in packs on Sunday. So yeah, the out of packs cards will probably be the play because people who get the game will want to try these cards out, and of course, no additional supply makes them a much safer investment. But yeah, we're basically going to be playing it by ear. I'm currently lazy selling all those cards I just showed you, as well as some of these chem stars. You can see the prices I'm lazying at. I'm getting a few every hour, and we'll see how many of these Dallos, Yamals, and Joe Gomez's can actually do for us, but we will continue to lazy. Hopefully, we've hit a gold mine with Yamal, let's hope. He was just 3k. I have just ended my stream. He was just 2.8, sorry. I have just ended my stream though. So who knows if it was people were buying on the stream, which is possible. But it looks like he's already 3K, so it looks like Yamal is ready to climb, or people are investing in Yamal. Yeah, you can see 3-1 selling now. So that actually looks pretty good, to be honest. I'm probably going to post this on the Discord right now and say if people want to buy these cards. I don't see too much issue, although they're a little higher than I would like. But yeah, that is the move. If you guys want to join our Patreon, the link's in the description there. If you want to follow me on Twitter, link is also in the description for that too. Of course, follow the Twitch streams. We're live every single day. And enter the weekly Discord giveaway. Click this button every single week and you can win one of 7-day free Patrons. And also, of course, type in this channel if you do subscribe to the channel with a regular sub, a gifted sub, or a Twitch sub, and you will get 7 days free Patreon for the rest of this month. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Peace.